Hello guys, hello everyone. For today's video guys, I am going to cook munggo, sauteed munggo or ginisang munggo. This is the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have chili and chiling pangsigang. I have thumb of ginger, luya. I have 1 clove and isang buong garlic, 2 onions. I have kalabasa, squash. I have okra, eggplants, 1 tomatoes. Ayaw ko masyadong maasim. Alright. Alugbati guys. Ayan, alugbati. Ampalaya ribs. Talbos ng ampalaya. Ayan guys. So yan ang mga sangkap na ilalahok ko sa ating munggo. Because today it's Friday. Thanks God, it's Friday. Alright. Ayan guys. Init na. Ang gagawin ko guys ay I'm going to fry first the fish that I'm going to use for my ginisang munggo. Yan guys, ito yung mga natin. Ayan, prepare natin yung lakot natin sa baliktadin natin guys. Ayan guys, cooking na ito guys. Ito. Alright guys, let's start cooking. Mainit na yung kasirola and we will use the olive oil. Olive cooking oil. 2, 3 tablespoons. Ito na yung ginger. Luya. Masarap kasi sa munggo kapag may luya guys. Sunod ko na yung bawang. Crushed garlic. Ayan guys. Sabay ko na yung chili. Optional. Lumabas na yung kanyang kaluluwa. Abang na. Then, onion. Red onion. Let's cover guys. And get it translucent. Alright. I have a small amount of chicharon, pork chicharon from baboy. I-add ko na dito guys para mag-infuse agad yung yung flavor. Yan pa yung natira na chicharon. Halo ko na lang. Nag-ready ako na munggo guys. And today is Friday, so it's munggo day. Tomatoes. Let's cover. squash guys, palabas na. Malalapad guys. Pero manipis yan lang ang kapal guys. Ground rock pepper. Fish sauce. Patis. Sarap na. This is Manny's version. How to cook munggo. Sauteed munggo. Right. Okay. Guys, napalambot ko na yung munggo. Ayan. Let's cover and get it boiled. Alright, kumukulo na guys. It's boiling guys. Uy. Sarap. Susunod ko na itong mga talong guys. Malaking hiwa yan. Oh. Masarap, malalaki. At ang mga siling pangsigang. This version. Cover. Tulong na guys. Sunod ko na yung mga okra guys. Nor pork cube. Not sponsor. Uy, sarap guys. Guys, chicken powder optional. If you have, then fine. Sarap kasi guys may chicken powder guys. Ihalo ko na guys ang aking hinimay na piniritong isda. Ayan guys. Ayan. Tinanggalan ko ng mga tinik. Ayan. O diba? Dahan-dahan lang guys sa paghalo. Kasi baka malalong maduro. Let's cover. And 1 minute. And guys, so yummy. Tikman natin guys para maiusto natin ang kanyang lasa. It's okay. So, ihalo ko na yung alugbati guys. Sinasabi na overload. Veggies overload sa munggo. Ayan. Let's cover for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, ito na guys, oh. Ay, malinamnam na guys. But there's more. Talbos ng ampalaya. Oh. Oh. Ayan. Overload na guys. Oh. Almost over na. Game over. Okay. Let's cover it. And let's off the heat. Let the residual heat will do the cooking. Alright? Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa tikiman portion. Ay, palaway portion pala. Sa ating ginisang munggo with fried fish and overload veggies. Ayan guys. So, let's start sa palaway portion. Ayan oh. Sarap ng alugbati. And guys, first bite for you. And guys, oh. Mayroong sili dito. Lady fingers. Okra. Ito yung alumahan guys. Na isda. Sa English is Indian mackerel. Talong. Sarap. Sabaw pala. Oh. Another lady finger. Ayan guys. Oh. Alright. Thank you so much once again sa inyong panonood sa aking version ng munggo. Ginisang munggo. Marami namang mga style kung paano magluto ng ginisang munggo. And this is my way of cooking in Manny's version. So once again, thank you so much. Until next time, God bless us always. Bye-bye. Thank you.